Becki-licious here, and I am ready to bake some cookies. I haven't baked cookies in a while, and I've been dying to try some. This recipe is just a basic soft and chewy recipe, and you can add your different toppings in. So this one, I'm gonna actually divide into two, and we're gonna do two different types of cookies. One is going to be an M&M pretzel cookie with some little sea salt in it, and the other one is gonna be a white chocolate cranberries cookie. So let's get this started. What do you say? So we've got our melted butter. It's been a little bit on the cooled side, so we're gonna get this poured in here. And as you can see, I have my helper over here helping me. And then we're gonna get these all whipped in. She just wants to be part of the action. All right, so we're gonna get this all stirred up, creamed together. For me, there's nothing better on a cooler day than to bake. I absolutely adore baking. I don't do it enough, only because if I did it more often, I would eat it all, and I don't need to be doing that. But whatever, whatever. All right, so these are all creamed together. Now we're gonna add our egg and an egg yolk. Okay, get that puppy on in there. So let's get this whipped up. Got all mixed up together and incorporated nicely. There we go. And then now, our vanilla. Got to add our vanilla. We got two of these going in here. There we go. All right, now it's time to incorporate the dry ingredients. So let's get these in here. All right, I've got this all whipped up. So now I'm going to take out about half of this dough, put it back in the other bowl, because like I said, we're gonna do two different flavors. So we will start with this one. Hey, like, subscribe, share with your friends. Click on the link tree, see some behind the scenes fun stuff we do out here. So, you know, all that good stuff. All right, so I've got some mini M&Ms. We're gonna toss those puppies in here. And I've got some crushed pretzels. And we are going to do a little tiny bit of sea salt in here since we've got the pretzels and such. All right, so this is gonna be our first cookie. So let me get this all mixed together. All right, white chocolate chips and cranberries. And I ditched that spoon because it's easier just to do it with your hands. That way you get everything mixed in there. Oh, yum. These are gonna be good. All right, there we go. That's it. So we've got our two different cookie doughs here. So we're gonna get these in the fridge for just a little bit, just to firm them up just a teeny tiny bit. And then we are going to get them scooped up and ready to bake. All right, I pulled both of my cookie doughs out of the refrigerator, and I've got them balled up, and my oven is preheated and ready to go. So we are just gonna bake up literally just 6 of each so we can try them out. And then if you know me, you know I will take the remaining and I will ball them all up, and then I'll freeze them. And then that way, whenever I wanna have just a couple cookies, I can pull them out of the freezer, throw them in the oven, and I'll be good to go. All right, these are set and ready for the oven. Oven's been preheated to 325, and these are gonna go in the oven for about 12 or 13 minutes, okay? Been in for actually about 15 minutes, so let's go ahead and bring them out. Size 2, I did a little bit slightly smaller ones, so we're gonna let these cool on the cookie sheet for a couple of minutes before. All right, finished product. White chocolate cranberry and M&M pretzel cookies, both from the exact same batch of dough. So, gotta love it. And all the leftovers I've already got balled up, and they're already in the freezer just waiting for me. So, thanks again for joining me. I hope you had fun. I always do. I'll see you next time. Bye.